Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable SIM card PIN code on XIAOMI 15T. First you have to open settings on your phone and then scroll down to Fingerprints, FaceData and Screen Lock. Then go to Privacy and then scroll down to More Privacy or More Security Settings right here. Then select your SIM card carrier and then switch this toggle to the right to lock your SIM with the PIN code, and then provide a SIM card PIN code into this field. Click OK. And once you provide a correct SIM card PIN code, this feature will be enabled or disabled if it was enabled previously. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.